everyone, I'm Aerdian, and today we will be taking a look at the G213 Prodigy gaming keyboard from Logitech. First though, let's do a quick unboxing. From the first glimpse, you may be led to believe this is a mechanical keyboard with its design and style. However, it is actually just a membrane keyboard with rubber dome switches. With its affordable price of just under $70, you get a lot for your money. The keyboard is normal size, which is something that would be hard to find for this price point if you were looking for a mechanical keyboard. Many lower priced mechanical keyboards use the 10-key less design for the smaller size. Another feature that you would not find on similarly priced mechanical keyboards is RGB backlighting. The Logitech gaming software allows you to customize the lighting and set the programmable keys. It can also be set to use the same color scheme as your other Logitech G products, for example, your mouse. With over 16.8 million colors to choose from, you can use a different color every day for over 46,027 years. Now, let's talk build quality. Despite the fact that the keys are not mechanical, the rubber dome switches in the keyboard do feel a lot better than other rubber dome keyboards on the market. In my personal opinion, the keys on this keyboard are better than most mechanical keyboards I have seen, leading me to choose this keyboard over a mechanical version. And this is Logitech build quality. Despite the fact that the materials used in this keyboard are cheaper than their more expensive variants, it doesn't feel flimsy or plasticky in any way. Some other features you will find on this keyboard are 12 programmable keys, which you can program to be different in different games and software you use. There are dedicated media controls allowing you to play, pause, stop, and change the volume. Many keyboards have this, but it is still definitely a cool feature. The only thing that I would say is wrong with these media controls is that the stop button is square, unlike the other circular buttons. With a push of another button, you can turn on and off your keyboard's lighting, so you can keep it off during the day, but turn it on at night, or whichever way you choose. The dedicated gaming button disables the Windows key and sets the keyboard to game mode. The keys in which the keyboard disables with game mode can be chosen with the included Logitech gaming software. And it comes with a wrist rest which cannot be removed, so make sure you have plenty of room to put your keyboard on your desk. But at least the wrist rest is a nice one. Now, from my time using this keyboard seems to take the pros of a mechanical keyboard and crosses it with the pros of a standard keyboard. First off, mechanical keyboards are loud, and if you accidentally spill anything inside it, you might as well just throw away your keyboard and buy a new one. The Logitech G213 Prodigy, however, is quieter than mechanical keyboards and spill resistant, while being 4 times faster than traditional keyboards, making the speed super quick like mechanical keyboards. Now for a quick sound test. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you, and if you want to purchase this keyboard, I have provided the link in the description below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.